Out the gate. I'm having a good time here. Hello. Is it Aregbesola? I just said hello and he left. You look like, are you Aregbesola? Pardon?
Who are you?
Who am I? I'm a Nigerian.
What do you want?
I don't want anything. I saw you. I think I recognize you. Aregbesola.
Sit down, please.
Thank you. No. Your Excellency, I have to. You can't touch. You can't touch this. America. You can't touch this.
You can't record me.
But you can't touch me.
I have the right to my privacy.
So you have to tell me this is America. This is not Nigeria. This is not Nigeria. You can't. No, this is not Nigeria. You can't just take my phone. This is America.
I have the right to my privacy.
So you just tell me that. This is America. This is a free country. Do you understand? This is a free country. I can do what I like in America.
You cannot.
I can do what I want in America.
I cannot record you without my authority.
Biden can't tell me that if I want to record Biden. Biden can't tell me that.
Come again.
This is America. If I want to, even Biden, this is a free country. This is not Nigeria. This is not Nigeria. You are alive. Don't touch me. If you touch me, I will sue you. I'm an American. Don't touch me. You can't touch me. This is America. If you touch me, I will sue you. So leave me alone. This is a free country.
No, you cannot record.
This is a free country. This is not Nigeria.
Why are you recording him?
You're alive. This is not
You
Nigeria.
cannot record me without my authority.
Biden can't tell me that.
You cannot record without my authority.
Biden can't tell me that.
I have the right to my privacy.
This is America. This is America. Biden can't tell me that. This is America. Biden can't tell me that. You are not in Nigeria. This is America. Biden can't tell me I cannot record it.
You cannot record without my authority.
You are in America. You are in America. You are not in Nigeria. You are in America.
This man is sick.
Yeah, I'm sick.
Sit down.
You are in America.
He's recording without my authority. He's
It's
recording without my authority. You cannot.
Why?
This is America. This is not Nigeria.
This is not
Sorry.
You don't have the right. You don't have the right.
What do you mean I don't have the right?
Not working.
I don't want you see. I'm good. This is America. Yeah, I can't record you. This is a free country. This is not Nigeria. I think she take the man chain.
Stop it.